Hi, welcome to Amazing Abby's Kitchen. Let's start preparing simple turkey berry recipe or Sundakkai Kootu or poriyal. The benefits of turkey berry, that is the Sundakkai, is enormous. It's good for the bones and teeth. It stops excessive cell growth and it's used for the treatment for diabetes and indigestion problems. So this should be included at least once in a week. First, we have to cut the Sundakkai into halves. Now let's start preparing. Add oil in a pan. Next, add mustard seeds, that is the kaduh, into the oil. Wait till the seeds has splattered. Add urad dal, 1 spoon, that is the ulund. Add 2 to 3 small onions, green chili and curry leaves. Mix it well. Add 1 small tomato pieces into the recipe. Now 1 cup of Sundakkai, that is the turkey berry, should be added, and it should be noted that the Sundakkai is cut into 2 halves. Now we are adding tamarind water. This tamarind water and salt adds extra taste to this recipe. Since the Sundakkai absorbs the tamarind, it will taste much good. And add 1 spoon of coriander powder and chili powder to it and fry it until the masala has cooked. Now our delicious recipe is almost ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and share your views and points in the comments. Thank you.